before we move further, don't forget to like, subscribe for my channel and click on the bell icon to get updated with more of my videos. Hey guys, as you can see the board, we are on our way to Hogenakkal now from Dharmapuri. So Dharmapuri to Hogenakkal, and this is the drive, and here we go. Okay, now this is our first encounter with the visitors through our drive to Hogenakkal Falls. You can see him standing, running. Now he's so engrossed and he's wondering how to get that Indian corn out of the girl's hands. Just see what he does. He's peeping and he's trying how to get that out. Now he's only focused on the Indian corn in the hand there. And he's getting ready, and there he gets it. He takes it and happily eats it, and the others stand no chance, so they walk away. So this is the road to Hogenakkal Waterfalls, and you can see the sharp turns and the twists. The roads are amazing, and the drive is just adventurous and thrilling on these roads where there's so much of sharp turns and curves. It just feels like a roller coaster ride. So if you're ever going to Hogenakkal Waterfalls from Dharmapuri side or Tamil Nadu side, make sure to take this road and enjoy the drive as well.
Got to keep it rolling. There's no time to be wasting. I'd just rather move it along. Got both feet but in different waters. I need space more than orders. I'd just rather move it along. I know how you're feeling, 'cause sometimes I do tight. Not tonight. You're gonna hear me. Gon' dance it all goodbye. My love, can we drop this? Our time can't pass us by. This bond makes us stronger just to be together. All I wanna do is crash now when you're spewing facts. Now I know that I am getting better. We know that we can get crazy when some things seem lazy. I know that I am getting better. I know how you're feeling, 'cause sometimes I be tight. Not tonight. You're gonna.
We are now entering into the city of Hogenakkal. We are slowly moving into the city. You can see the buildings, the vehicles. You will also start to see a lot of people, crowd moving around, tourists from different places who've come to see the waterfalls. You can see all these people moving around, walking around, vehicles, and you can see all of them so busily moving from one place to another. People who are going to dip themselves into the Kaveri river, or people already who have dipped themselves and come out enjoying the cool water, people looking for parking. So it's a busy place as you get a lot of tourists over here. Tourists from all places come. I mean, different states, different cities. Foreigners are there. You get a lot of visitors who come here to enjoy themselves, enjoy the waterfall, take a dip, swim in the lovely Kaveri river. Welcome to Hogenakkal Falls! Hey there, so today we have come to the Hogenakkal Waterfalls to enjoy a nice hot summer's day where you get to see a lot of water, greenery, people and delicious food. So you can see this is the backwaters of Hogenakkal, and everyone are having a nice cool bath there, turning around. So you can see all these people have had their oil massage, the relaxing oil massage, and now come into the cool Kaveri waters to have a nice cool bath and relax themselves, refresh themselves. You can see the water, how beautiful it is. So this is the backwaters of the Kaveri at Hogenakkal Falls. You can see how clear it is. Such a beautiful scenery and sight. You can see a lot of people not only come to play in the water, also sitting, relaxing themselves with friends, talking. The greenery is beautiful and such a beautiful place. So this is a perfect oil massage at the Hogenakkal Waterfalls. You can see all the men enjoying it. I think men only come here for the massage. So this is the men's section, I guess, because you can see there's a lot of men only here. There's a different section exclusively for ladies who also want to have this relaxing oil massage. This massage has a lot of benefits in it. It helps you to cool your mind, takes out stress, release your muscles, and also make you feel fresh and healthy. You can also see the flowing water of the Kaveri river. Such a beautiful sight to view on this sunny day. The perfect head massage. Hungary, this is a perfect place for you to have a delicious fish meal out here. You get all fresh fish and everything freshly cooked for you. You can see the variety of fishes that are available for you to fill your stomach and have a lovely meal.
என்ன மீனுக்கு அது புரியல பாப்லைட்டா சரி சரி சரி
Feels like love, Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm
So if you're looking to have an enjoyable ride in the Hogenakkal or the basket, then this is a price list for you. So the total amount that you have to pay is 750, which includes the Hogenakkal driver's fee 600, the maintenance fee is 90, the fees for life jackets if you want, I think it's mandatory, and that's 60 rupees. As you can see, the waters is filled with Hogenakkals. The drivers taking families, people, tourists around, giving them a one-time life experience, a thrilling experience. You can see everyone enjoying themselves. The Hogenakkals turning round and round, people getting in. Now this for sure is something you will see that happens only in India. We're now going into the main waterfalls of Hogenakkal, so come along with me, enjoy yourselves. Turn, 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 turn. We are going to the main waterfalls of Hogenakkal, which is the highlight of this place, and everybody come here to see this. So I'm going to go and show you how the main waterfall looks. Turning my camera. So you can see we are now heading to the main waterfalls, and we have to walk over a bridge. Along the bridge there's water everywhere, a lot of streams, small waterfalls, looks amazing. A lot of crowd, as you can see, many people come over here to enjoy themselves. A lot of tourists you get here. So people who are coming, watching, if you are coming here, be clean. Yeah, do not drink and break bottles here and there, because people keep walking about without slippers and footwear. So these are this is a karwad, saltfish basically, known as karwad over here. Yeah, dry fish or saltfish. This is borams. See the crowds, how they are bathing in the water. Many of them barefoot. So when you come here, do not litter. There's a lot of stray dogs also as well. Monkeys. So goats. Be careful, goats. So be careful about the plastic packets that you use to eat. Ensure that you keep them in your bags. Try as possible not to use plastic and throw them around. which could be dangerous for animals. We are now going towards the hanging bridge, which connects from Tamil Nadu to Karnataka. So you can see the boat, the hanging bridge, and we're going to go through it now if they allow us.
10 rupees we have to pay for the entrance.
Okay, I heard that the entrance charge of this hanging bridge is rupees 10. So let's go and see. The hanging bridge, we are entering. So taking you towards the hanging bridge now. Now we are going towards the hanging bridge. As you can see the ticket counter there. Oh, look at the awesome waterfalls. A mini waterfall. Just a glimpse. You will see the original Hogenakkal Falls very soon. There are jitters in my stomach, butterflies. My heart is thumping. Oh wow, look here. Mini waterfall. So let's go up now. Going. Let's see how the hanging bridge looks. I have not seen the hanging bridge before. My first visit here on this hanging bridge. Woo! Look at the view. See the crowds of people on the hanging bridge. So everyone come over this hanging bridge just to see the view of this beautiful waterfall. To see how beautiful it is. I hope you are enjoying the sight and the view. Such a beautiful sight. And again back to the hanging bridge. So this is the hanging bridge. They are not allowing us any further. Beautiful sight. I hope you enjoyed it. You can see you don't only find humans coming here to enjoy the beautiful waters, the cool breeze, the summer sun, and all the other food and activities here, but you also have a lot of country cousins like the monkeys who love to entertain the crowd out here. Few of them who are very friendly, like this one who is very happily taking food from the children's hands, entertaining them and being very calm. The children also enjoying themselves with the monkey and having a nice time out here. So everybody who comes here is entertained well.
It gets confusing when you say you love me.
Check out Alibaba the thief.
You must be thinking this is just a game. I'm not interested to play. I'm looking for something real. Won't you tell me how you feel? What your true intentions are? Boy, you'll have to raise the bar if you want me, baby. Something needs to change. I'm done wondering. I want clarity. No more wicked ways. Love me or leave me, yeah. Love me or leave me, but don't hold me hostage, hostage with this back and forth. Love me or leave me, but don't hold me hostage, hostage with this back and forth, this back and forth, this back and forth. I'm gonna have to let you go.
Now we are going to the main waterfalls of Hogenakkal, which is the highlight of this place, and everybody come here to see this. So I'm going to go and show you how the main waterfall looks, turning my camera. Here's a clearer view of the hanging bridge. What is Mahendra doing here? He's pouring more and more water into the river to ensure that the water level increases rather than decreasing. That's what we all should do, save water. Welcome to Hogenakkal Falls! Amazing waterfalls! No awareness, no throwing plastic into the water. Put it in your bags and throw it in a dustbin. Say no to litter. Clean India, beautiful India, amazing India. This board caught my attraction. It reads, "Reject plastic bags, save the earth. Bring your own bag for your own trash." Amazing message to everyone.